What's good, man? Welcome to another video and welcome to Siargao. Man, it's 6:15 a.m. I just arrived and yeah, I don't know what's going on. I gotta get to my hotel. But yeah, now I didn't make like mistake or whatever, and I booked in advance. So yeah, let me just check transportation or whatever, and yeah, welcome to Siargao. Feel me? Man, I arrived next to my hotel, but yeah, I'm still a little bit unprepared because I don't have cash. Yeah, it's funny, I don't have cash, so I gotta withdraw money. Yeah, in 2 weeks I spent like just 20k pesos cash and just a little bit out of card. So yeah, we're doing pretty well. So I'm going to ATM, then grab some like coffee and breakfast because I need it. And I will ask in hotel if I can leave my bag. If yes, then that's great. If no, then I will do, backpacking like style for 5 hours or so. And I'll go to the beach. But yeah, I like the vibe so far. It's super sunny, actually, super sunny. My friend told me that it was raining recently, like all the time, but now it's super funny. So yeah, let me withdraw the cash and see you at the breakfast. Feel me? We had a little problem because my any card wasn't working. Like when I sent insert card, it was like your card like is not working. Please contact your bank. But it was with all my cards, so I think ATM was just broken. But yeah, we got another one. So yeah, hopefully this one will work because I got like 70 pesos now. 70 pesos. So all I can get is maybe a coffee. Maybe. Because I'm not even sure about the coffee. You feel me? So yeah, let me get there and hopefully with better luck. So actually I was the breakfast, right? And it's funny story because like around 8:40, 8:30 I went on Tinder and yeah, I met with the girl and she was like finishing remote job. So like I was like join me at the coffee and she was like, okay, I'll be ready at 9:15. I live 2 minutes away. And yeah, she pulled up and I thought it would be like just coffee and we go, but we actually spent like 3 hours together talking. And now we're at the gym together, like she just like watching, I'm working out, gym like this. So yeah, it's really cool. I paid 280, so it's like a lot compared to like previous gyms. But yeah, it's still cool. I mean, the previous gym I paid like 120. This is 280, but it looks very nice. So yeah, she watching, and we probably go to the beach together. So yeah, it's really cool. Start of the day. Thank you. Yeah. So that's really cool start of the day because otherwise I would like wait alone till like 1 p.m. and arrive like before 8. So yeah, it's super cool. I'm super grateful. Now time to work out, get some pump, you feel me? And yeah, another funny story is that I realized while I was eating and then she come so that like I paid 300 for the shared van from the airport, and it's supposed to like drop everyone at their hotels. And that guy asked me what's my hotel, and I told him, and like he dropped me off. He asked what's my YouTube channel. That's funny, but he dropped me off, and yeah, unfortunately, like I haven't checked it. I just trusted him, and then we like started talking about YouTube, and he dropped me 4 kilometers away from my actual hotel. So yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, we've met. We literally was 3 hours drinking coffee, laughing, smiling. Something unexpected. But yeah, gym, beach, and later we will see. So yeah, last set of this, and then we will see. We will see. Feel me?
Lousy means like you're lazy.
You're the one that is lazy, actually. Oh man, just last exercise before I go. So let's go with some biceps. Man, we're done with the gym. It was great workout. I got some pump, I got some sweat, feel good. So yeah, I'm staying consistent. My friend actually like felt a little bit bad. I mean, she told me this like earlier, but I didn't know it was that serious. So yeah, she went home actually. But yeah, it's okay, because like if she went home and like didn't say anything, I would be like, okay, like you just didn't want to spend time with me. But yeah, she like immediately texted me and like she said I'm sorry, and yeah, she still wanna meet me like tomorrow. So it's pretty cool. I mean, we will see, like we will see. But yeah, we were talking like 3 hours drinking coffee. Like actually we get like 2, you feel me? So yeah, it was something like unexpected that don't happen often, honestly. And it was like super spontaneous. But now I'm here looking so amazing. Just look at the view, man. Just look at the view, you feel me? It's definitely different vibe. And I haven't been to Bali, but I've seen like pictures and videos, and if I had to compare Siargao to anything that I've saw on the internet, I would compare it to Bali. But when I will be in Bali, I will confirm it was like for real or not. So yeah, it's all good. I'm about to get a tuk-tuk now. I'll go to my hotel, since like I don't go to the beach with her. I'll just go to my hotel, and yeah, once I just like change a little bit and leave my bag, I will go to the beach, you feel me? I will go to the beach. Hopefully it will still be sunny. And I don't know if I mentioned previously, but my backpack is not really my backpack was good. My backpack is not really heavy because I like left the laundry. So yeah, whatever is cheaper. What is cheaper?
Cheaper? How many this?
Oh, I don't want to rent. It's for rent.
Rent.
Oh no. So
Tuk-tuk.
yeah, tuk-tuk. Okay. I will just show you, sir, where. Okay.
Where going? Maybe airport.
No.
Land tour.
Not yet.
Pacifico. Pacifico.
No. We will go. You know Moonlight?
Yes.
You know?
Moonlight homestay. 100 only.
100. Okay. Because I was from the airport with the van,
Yes.
and he took the wrong way. So,
wrong way. That's why.
but now it's okay. So 100 is okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Alright. We're about to go.
deliver ng ban sa isa.
So we're going. Man, so this is the room. This is me in the room. You feel me? But yeah, there is no view like by the window. It's just like, yeah, actually I will show you, but it's literally like no view. You see? So yeah, when it comes like window view, is nothing. Bed is big, not big, but not small either. Like it's okay. We got a little I forgot mirror. Yeah, mirror. There's the lightning. Can charge my phone. I don't see it next to my bed. We got this whatever. It doesn't seem like super clean, honestly, but it's okay. It's okay. There is AC. Hopefully, it's working a little bit. I'm not the big fan of AC because I'm always scared that I'm a bit sick. Yeah, we got like bathroom, toilet, very tiny, but yeah, it's okay. And yeah, technically it's like 600 meters to the beach. I don't know. We'll verify it like in 10 minutes, something like that. I paid 39 USD for 3 nights, so it's $13. With this tax, it's like tax included, so it's okay. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Like, I don't need much. I prefer like private space, so I prefer like room just for me. Eventually, like someone join me. If you know, you know. But yeah, sometimes I do hostels, and it's okay too. So yeah, I'm excited that I'm in Siargao. So much I like it. But yeah, I might also say like because I spent like wonderful 3 hours with this girl, and yeah, then like a little bit at the gym, so it's cool. The walls are very tiny because I can hear everything, but yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm focused on good things. I'm grateful, and yeah, let me use the bathroom, and let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Feel me? Your boy is going to the beach. It's technically like 15 minutes from my hotel. Now I checked like when I was actually there. So I think it's like 8 minutes more maybe. So yeah, let me just arrive to the gym. To the beach. Loki, I wanna eat something. I'm really hungry. And yeah, let's see what Siargao has to offer. Like, I don't expect much from today, and I still wanna like take care of my sleep, because I know that if I mess up my sleep like today, then like it will affect my entire journey over there. So like I still wanna like get a proper food and proper rest today. So from tomorrow on, I can really like give my all to exploring, enjoying, creating content, stuff like that. So yeah, I will have fun, that's for sure. That's the way to the beach. So yeah, we will see what's going on and see you there. So actually we're facing like a little problem, just a little problem, because I think I'm in some like illegal place. It even said like no trespassing, but I asked someone and they say like, oh, that's the road to the beach. But no, I'm sure I was in the wrong place. So now I'll just walk out from here. And actually I got my friend that told me about Siargao, and she's here, but we are like friends, like we know each other very long. So she actually like called me right now like 2 minutes ago, and she asked me like what I'm doing, where I am, and she was like, let's meet in 30 minutes. So I was like, yeah, cool, like come on, like let's be spontaneous. And yeah, we will see what's up. But I gotta unfortunately go to the main road and find a like good entrance to the beach. It's called Love Beach. And yeah, when I said it's like 8 more minutes, I'm already walking like over 20. So it's funny, but yeah, I know that with me always adventure. With me it's always adventure. So yeah, I'm on the main road, and yeah, see you at the proper beach or with my friends. We'll see, but it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright, you feel me? Yeah, since I'm waiting for my friends, I decided to get like big plate of food. I need proper meal, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause last time I ate at like 8:30, no, even faster, like 8:15 maybe. And I just waited with my coffee, and yeah, it's 4. So yeah, I need to eat. I don't know what the day brings actually, since I'm like with my friends. I will be with my friend. So yeah, good food, good view, enjoying. It's kind of like European, American, like it's not Filipino, so I will not even rate it. But yeah, already what I try is really good, so let me just eat. Day no food review. So we arrived, and here you got like the most famous street, I guess, here. You see like all over social medias. That's my friend. So let's go, bro, let's go. I think he's just learning. So yeah, there are some people like the friends, I guess. I don't know. Hello.
Enjoy.
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Mike?
Mike, yeah, nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Enjoy the city.
It's a DJ here.
It's DJ?
Yeah, it's really good.
I thought you said instructor. No. So this is like the most famous place in Siargao? No, this street.
Yeah.
Because like when I typed Siargao, it was like
Yeah, it's always like
yeah,
that.
yeah. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Also, hot.
I missed that movie. Ano yung F4?
That's how it looks like over there, man. Tune in.
In Taiwan.
Taiwan.